Hi guys, this is Radhika. Welcome to my channel Radhika's Lesson. I will be explaining you about mathematics, that is algebra part 1, Maharashtra board, chapter 1. Name of the chapter is sets. Before I start explaining you about sets, let us understand about many types of numbers. There are many types of real numbers. Here are some of them: natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, fraction, rational number, irrational number. Now, diagram of real number system. That is, real numbers are mainly classified into rational number and irrational number. Now, rational number includes fraction and integer. All negative integers and whole numbers make integers. Then whole numbers comprises of all natural numbers and 0. Now let us observe the set of natural numbers. Natural number begins with 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. Whole numbers 0 begins with 0, 1, 2, 3 to infinity. Integers, that is negative 3. Now to the left of 0 will be all negative integers and to the right of 0 will be all positive integers. So both the sides we will find numbers which belongs to numbers, infinity numbers. That is set of integers. Now rational numbers, it can be negative 1 upon 2, 2 upon 3. Its answer would be 0.6 bar. That is, it recurs. Is rational number. Then Q1 root 3, root 5, pi. That is 22 upon 7. Again up to infinity are also rational numbers. All the sets above include real numbers. Now let us start with sets. We call collection of objects as set. The name of the set is given using capital letters A, B, C and up to Z. The members or elements of the set are shown by using small letters A, B, C up to Z. If A is an element of set A, then we write it as A belongs to, small a belongs to capital A, and if A is not an element of set A, then we write A does not belong to set A. Now, methods of writing sets. There are two methods of writing sets: listing method or rooster method, rule method or set builder form. Now let us understand listing method or rooster method. In this method, we write all the elements of a set in curly brackets. Each element is written only once and separated by commas. Example, the set of odd numbers between 1 and 10 can be written as 3, 5, that is in curly brackets. A, capital A is the set, is equal to curly brackets 3, 5, 7, 9, or we can also write A is equal to 7, 3, 5, 9. We can change the order and write. If a particular element comes more than once, example, now the word attract. In the word attract, the letter A and T are repeated more than once. So, set of letters of this word is written as S is equal to A, T, R, C. And you have to write it in curly bracket. Repeated letters should not be written, but once only we need to write them. Now second is rule method or set builder form. In this method, we do not write the list of elements but write the general elements using variable x followed by a vertical line or colon and write the property of the variable. Example, A is the set is equal to x such that x belongs to natural number 1 is less than x and less than 10. So we have to write all the numbers in between 1 and 10, that is 2 to 9. Now is read as set A is set of all x such that x is a natural number between 1 and 10. This is how we need to read. Now let us start with practice set 1.1. Rest of the examples you can go through the textbook. It's all clearly mentioned over there. So let's start with practice set 1.1, page 3. Now question 1. Write the following sets in rooster form or listing method. Sub question 1. Set of even numbers. We can write answer as E is equal to, now even numbers, all multiples of 2, 2, 4, 6 up to infinity. Then question 2. Sub question 2. Set of even prime numbers between 1 to 50. That is 2 is the only even prime number. We all know that. And rest all the numbers are prime, odd. Now let us come to the third question. Set of negative integers. Answer B is equal to, negative integers all will be, we'll show the dots because these are infinity numbers, minus 5, minus 4, negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, and negative 1. Now question 4. 7 basic sounds of a sargam, that is sur. Answer C is equal to sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni. Now these are 7 surs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now question 2. Write the following symbolic statement in words. That is 4 upon 3 belongs to Q. 4 upon 3 is an element of set Q. Then negative 2 does not belong to M. So negative 2 does not belong to set of natural numbers. Third, P is equal to P such that P is an odd number. So P is a set of P such that P is an odd number. Question 3. Write any two set by listing method and by rule method. Question 1. G is equal to 6, 7, 8, 9. So G is equal to X such that X belongs to natural numbers and these are the numbers 5 less than X less than 10. So all the numbers between 5 and 10. Then second example, H is equal to A, E, I, O, U. Now H is equal to X such that X is vowel of English alphabets. Let's come to question 4. Write the following set using listing method. All the months in the Indian solar year. Now set A is equal to Chaitra, Vaishakh, Jyeshtha, Ashadh, Shravan, Bhadra, Ashwin, Kartik, Agrayan, Paush, Magh and Falgun. This is how we need to write the set. Now second, letters in the word complement. Now here in this we can see M and E is repeated. Therefore letter E and M are repeated. So we write only once. So I is equal to set I is equal to COMPLENT. M and E are repeated. So we will write only once. Question 3. Set of human sensory organs. J is equal to eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Question 4. Set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. K is equal to all prime numbers from 1 to 20, that is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. Name of the continents of the world, that is L is equal to North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia and Antarctica. Question 5. Write the following sets using rule method. Now A is equal to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81 and 100. If you look at the numbers, we will realize that they are square of the numbers. That is 1 is the square of 1, 4 is the square of 2, 9 is the square of 3, 16 is the square of 4 and so on. So we write the answer as A is equal to x such that x is equal to n squared, where n belongs to natural numbers and n is less than equal to 10. So we can include 10 in this. Now set sub question 2. B is equal to 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42 and 48. So here if you look at this, they are all multiples of 6. So we can write the set as B is equal to x such that x is equal to 6 multiplied by n. You can see 6, n keeps changing because we consider them as natural numbers, so 6 is fixed. So 6 multiplied by n, and n belongs to, that is the small n belongs to natural numbers, and these n is less than 9. That is, we can write up to 8. Question 3, C. SMILE. Answer, C is equal to x by y, x such that y is a letter in the word smile. Question 4, D. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Answer, D is Z such that Z is a day of a week. Days of a week. Now question 5, X is equal to AET. Order of the letter is changed. So we can write that, we can write it as D is equal to, or X is equal to X such that X is a letter in the word eat. Remember, natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers and real numbers. All these sets are infinite set. Guys, wait for my next video of the same chapter for the next exercise. Bye.